Good morning everyone. I am Dikesh Kumar from Senco Infatech company. Today I am going to introduce you battery comprehensive tester. So you are showing a BCT. Its limit is 100 volt 200 ampere. So now let's start procedure or power connection. It is a one phase power connection. As you saw, this is a one phase cable. Now there is one more thing in our machine that you have to open our machine from power button. Is your power button, you can show it. It is in off condition at that time. Now the machine is on, it is getting on. You can see this. There is also two buttons. It is your starting button and it is your stop button. If you want to stop manually, you can stop from there. If you can't stop physically, you can stop and start from there. This is your interface that you get. We start our system from there also. So system is getting a start. There is a external control. If you want to get some data externally, you can connect any external device to this one. It is your battery system which you are going to test for VCT. The connection is going to be in such a way that we have to connect first this one. Please follow up. It is your since this battery is a common port charging and discharging, so we are using a common port charging and discharging system. This is your P plus and P minus. It is basically for common port charging and discharging system. When you have different port like a battery which has different charging and discharging system, then this will be your charging C plus C minus. It will work as a charging port, and the P plus and P minus will be work as a discharging port. There is another two connection which is R1 and R2. You can see there R1 and R2. So this connection is basically used for your negative temperature coefficient resistance measurement. A battery which have this facility, they can also measure resistance from there. So now connection will be going on. Since this battery is a common port charging and discharging system, first we will connect positive from this interface and negative P minus from this interface. As I already told you, when we have a common port battery, this system will be work as a both charging and discharging port. And if you have a different port like a battery which has different charging port and different discharging port, then this C plus and C minus will be work as a charging port, P plus and P minus will be work as a discharging port. So when we will open your software, this is your system interference. Now it is your VCT software, which is a Senco Max software. So let's start that one. So this is your software. Before going to software interface, I would like to tell you about our machine. This is your front view. So as you can see that there is a all balancing system. Since it can test all balancing like charging and discharging ports. So it is your power connection. In back side you can get. So there is a IR tester. Since this machine is also test IR, it is a Hoptech IR tester, and it is your SMPS power supplier, and this is your just for cooling purpose. It is all arrangement are for your cooling purpose. Now come to back view. I will show in back side also. Now from the back side I am going to show you. So this is your backside view of our machine. It is your IR tester, as you can see there. It is your SMPS power supplier. It is your charging and discharging port C plus C minus P plus P minus. It is your charging and discharging port. You can also saw that. So this is all your connection about charging and discharging port and IR tester. Now we are going to test our test. Now I am going to show you how to test and is it machine running or not. So there is additional feature in barcode. You can also start directly. We can scan and start your testing from barcode testing also. So let's start the testing. First I am going to download the solution, and now start the test. Now you can see that all testing parameter is going to pass. Our machine is running good, and also our battery pack tester is also good in healthiness and ready to dispatch. So So this is how you can get a brief discussion about BCT, and we would love to inform you all a demo in our company, and thank you for all.